Hi, welcome to my channel Versova World. Today we are going to make a polygonal geometric pattern of a face of a puma. We will require a sturdy colored paper of around 160 GSM or maybe 220 will do, an ordinary paper on which we'll be taking out the printout, paper cutting knife, steel ruler, scissor and a masking tape. We will first attach both the papers to each other so that they won't move as we cut them. We can directly take printout on the stiff paper, but in some printers it's difficult to take printout on stiff papers. Hence, I have taken an ordinary paper and taken a printout on it. With the help of a ruler and a cutting blade, we'll start to cut all the lines. While cutting, we have to ensure that we are not taking cuts on the print lines. We'll be taking cuts about 1 mm or 2 mm away and parallel to the print lines. It is advisable to use around 160 GSM paper, though we can use 220 GSM paper also, but the thicker the paper, the more difficult it will be to cut. Instead of paper, some people use even plastic or metal sheets. Plastic and metal sheets last longer than paper, but the problem is that it's a bit quite difficult and sometimes it needs special expertise to cut them. Many patterns are available on the internet. You can search for the patterns or designs by entering the words polygonal, geometric, designs or patterns. There are many patterns on the internet. You will find patterns of various animals, plants, birds, fishes and even trees. There are patterns of many cartoon characters also. This beautiful papercraft is very easy to make and it looks great on a wall as a wall decoration. It can even be presented as a handmade gift. And we all know that handmade gifts are highly appreciated. Handmade gifts may not be that perfect and may contain some flaws compared to store-bought gifts. Still, they command more respect and appreciation because you have put in a lot of hard work and it shows your creativity side also. Special care has to be taken while using paper cutting knife because they have got very sharp edges. It might hurt someone or you if proper care is not taken. We have to take special care when children are around because they might get hold of it and might injure themselves or someone. When we are not using the paper knife, we have to slide its blade into its protective sheath. Hope this has inspired you into making one of your own. Be inspired, and as for always, thanks for watching with interest.